Oh my god, you guys, look at what we're going to be reviewing today. I am so excited. Hey divas, welcome back to my channel for a very exciting video. Oh my god, are you guys ready? Well, you already probably saw the little part where I was showing you what we're reviewing, but anyways, I'm still gonna show you what I saw when I received this. When you see this pink box, if you don't get excited, why aren't you getting excited when you see the pink box? I mean, you know it's Jeffree when you see that pink box. So I am so excited to be reviewing and doing a makeup look with the Blue Blood palette. So here is the gorgeous box that comes within the box. So once you open up your Jeffree Star package, this is what it will look like. And I mean, even this is just amazing. Jeffree Star's packaging is just beautiful. Like, come on. Like, just look at the time that goes into just the packaging itself. Not even the eyeshadows underneath. That takes a lot of time. So I'm going to kind of swatch these colors, see how they feel, which I know Jeffree Star, like, do I really even need to test it out? I already know it's going to be great. But I want to share with you, you know, the different swatches and colors, and then I'm going to create a eye makeup look because I already have my face, my base on. So if you are looking to get this gorgeous palette, I want to let you know what it's all about, and I already know that you should get it, but I'm still going to review it for you guys. So let's do that first before I do my makeup. Alright, so I'm going to come in with the first shade, which is this gorgeous like white icy tone, and it's called Cullinan. I'm not sure, you know, but that's what I think it is. It's a nice white shade, you guys can see. Gorgeous for like a highlight tone. This is what this color looks like. Not sure if I can show you that good, but once I have my swatches on, you guys will see it better. The next one I'm going to come in with is Minty. You all know my son is with me, like when I'm filming my videos. He's right over there, and he knows every time when mommy starts filming, it's time for him to speak too. Maybe he'll be a YouTube star, I don't know, because he loves the camera and the lights. So I don't know, when the camera goes on, he's ready to film with me. So if you hear him in the background, just know my son's right behind the camera. So that is Minty. It's kind of like the same color as my sweater that I'm wearing right now. I'm taking Crystal Flesh, which is right next to Minty. And if I have to zoom in, I will zoom in if I can. You know, you guys can't see right now, but I'll make sure you guys can see. I'm coming in with I'm Cold, which is right next to Crystal Flesh. The next color is Untouchable, which is like a nice like blushy pink. This one kind of almost matches my skin tone, so I'm not sure. This one is called Priceless. Now I'm going to come in with the color Power, the first color in the second row. The next color is Blue Blood. So I just want you guys to know that these colors are really creamy, and I know that they're going to blend great on the eye. But this color right here is Blue Blood. Here is Deceased. Ice Tray. Ooh, this one's really like pretty. I definitely have to use this color. This color is called Blue Monday, and it kind of has more of like a purpley hue to it. Gorgeous. You guys can see that the more of the first row is more light tones, and then the second row is more darker tones. And then the third row, we'll get into that in a minute. This color right here is called Flourishing. And then here is Flourishing. This is gorgeous. I feel like I just want to use all these colors, but I'm going to have to create like multiple looks. So the first row is definitely a lot lighter and softer. The second row is definitely a lot more darker. Now we're going to be going on to the third and last row. Next color I'm coming in with is Wealthy. That is right next to Flourishing. It's definitely like a beigey, light white color. I'm going to put this above Flourishing, but this is Celebrity Skin. This color is Entitled. This is gorgeous too, like a really pretty lid color. Ocean Ice looks stunning. Like, I feel like I have to do this. Yeah. Like, look at that dark blue color right on top of my hand right there. That is gorgeous! OMG. And then I'm going to put the last two colors on top. This is Cremated right here. You guys can see that dark shade right there. That's Cremated. And then the last shade is Undertaker. That's really pretty too. There is Undertaker. So that is all the shades. Really, really gorgeous. Like I said, super, super creamy, and I really can't wait to put them on my eyes and play with them. So I'm going to, you know, take this off my arm, and then I'm going to get into a really nice eye look. this is the completed look that I came up with. I decided to do a halo eye. I will tell you all the colors that I used right now if you're looking to use these colors on your eyes. So I dipped into Celebrity Skin and Priceless for my crease color. I used Cullinan on my inner corner and my highlight bone. I believe I took Minty and I'm Cold in my crease for the lighter blue colors. I did come in with Blue Blood. I came in with Deceased, Blue Monday, Flourishing, Entitled, Ocean Ice, and Undertaker. So those are the colors that I used on my eyes to create this look. I will have more looks with this, maybe a cut crease, maybe something else, maybe something more va-va-voom. But this is what I came up with, the halo eyes. I really, really like this. The colors are amazing. They're so creamy. They blend perfectly on the eyes. And if you don't have this palette, definitely when it comes back in stock, get your hands on this because this is a must-have in your makeup collection, especially if you're a makeup collector like myself, even just for the packaging, but also for the amazing eyeshadows that are inside. Definitely a must-have. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give this a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and also click the notification bell because that will notify you on when I post a new video. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Daddy shark doo 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 doo, daddy shark doo 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 doo, daddy shark doo 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 doo, daddy shark, grandma shark doo 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 doo, grandma shark doo 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 doo.